Hey guys, at 2001, I no longer have a bike cave, so I'm coming from a bike room. Bunch of little stuff hanging around. But hey, I'm going to show you, I've got some stuff going on with my new build, so I'm going to show you where we are in the process. If you saw the paint job, that was in the last video. Now let's go over some of the stuff I'm doing on top of that. First, I will show you my dropouts. These are the original dropouts that were on the bike. This had a hanger on one side, no hanger on the other side. But for the project I'm doing, I can't use these dropouts because they're too short. So I just signed off with a local machine shop on the new dropouts, on the blueprint of it, the rough drawing or whatever you want to say of it. And I should see new dropouts later on this week. So that's where the dropouts stand. I'll see those coming in. And then let's go here for brakes. This is the brakes I ran. The bike's at the shop. That's where it hangs out because I don't have room for all the bikes here. These are the brakes that I ran. They're called Tri-Rig Omega X's. Man, these are the best center pull brakes I've ever had. I mean, aerodynamic wise, but also there's a little tiny screw in here, set screw in here, that adjusts these so you can fine tune them to get them real tight. However you like to run your brakes. I like to run my brakes real tight, so I just barely touch the lever and I'm hitting the brakes. So this allows, these screws allow you to fine tune it. This magnet cover is strong as can be. Here's the inside of it, where your cable goes in here. Just tighten it in there. Like I said, absolutely great brakes. Love them to pieces. But guess what they did? They came out with a more modern version. They came out with the Omega 1, which is this. Oh my word. That is sexy. I just couldn't resist, so I had to get them. I had to get them. Same thing, got the great screw there for adjustability. But look at that thing, man. That thing is sleek as can be. Sleek as can be. Like I said, you got the same center pull. So, I mean, I can't wait to, these babies look sweet. So I can't wait to roll these out on the bike. So, if anyone is interested, I will give you a great deal on these center pull brakes. I mean, I'll give you an absolutely great deal. Because either that or they'll go into my supply bin. So that's where we stand now. So I've got my brakes in. They came in today. These came in today. Like I said, I signed off on the new dropouts. I signed off on those today too. So the machine shop, I should see those. And I'm hoping to hear back from the bike shop as far as the parts go. So what I'll do now is let me give you a little glimpse of the new cycling kit I got for 2021, which I signed off on. All the designs have been approved with the manufacturer, so I just got to now set my order in. I do all my designs and then I send them off, and they tweak them a little bit, and we go from there. So let me show you what I got. All right, this is a kit that I'm using for 2021. This is a rough design that I do out, and I get different bullet points of what I want in different spots. And what I do is I send this off to the company that I use to do my cycling kits. And then what they do is they do the cycling shirt first. They send me their version of what I showed them, what I want. And then I can make any edits. I get 2 free edits. I think I had to use one of my free edits. And then once we agree on it, I approve that. Then they go to the bib shorts, the same thing. I get 2 free edits. And once we go to that, then I go to arm warmers and so on and so forth. But I give them this design here, and I get a whole big breakdown list of it. Like I said, all these and kind of how I want it to set up. So, and it's worked. This is my 5th year working with them, and I really enjoy working with them. They're called Jackaroo, and they do a nice job. I like their bib shorts are great. Their shirts are great. So that's why I stick with them. So that's what the kit is going to look like. I'll show you now the actual finished kit. I've already signed off on everything. it. Now it's just I'm going to place my order this week. And once I place my order, it takes 2 weeks for me to get all the finished product in. Here is a quick peek of my cycling jersey for 2021. When I get in, I'll go over all the different messages that are all on the sides and on the collar and so on and so off the sleeves. So that's the shirt. Let me show you the pants. Okay, these are the bib shorts for 2021. Okay, the gloves. These are my gloves. And I know I've had people ask, what are these little hooks on the fingers? And that's when your hands are all sweaty. I find it a lot easier to pull the gloves off when my hands are all sweaty from a ride. And I've never broken them. So they work for me. I know some people don't like them, but I've had no problem with them. These are my arm warmers. And this will be my cycling cap. Yeah, baby is on the flip side, so you'll see it. I'm always saying that when I'm on the woods.